Hello there. Today I want to take you through 8 powerful ways in which you can earn respect as a leader. So the first point is that you need to master your word. So as a leader, it is always important that you master your word. Only make those promises that you can keep. One thing that most leaders find themselves in a challenge is that you actually make so many promises that you cannot keep. So it is always important that you make sure that you master your word. Whenever you mention something or whenever you promise something, always make sure that you deliver. Follow through even on small things so that you can make sure that you deliver. Number two, elevate others first. So most of the leaders, you find that we are tempted to actually elevate what we do more than elevating others. So in other words, what we mean is that always share credit before taking it. Meaning that as a leader, always ensure that your credit or the credit of work that has been done perfectly is spread across the people or the stakeholders who have made you succeed. Because as a leader, you are actually more concerned on the overall achievement. Help others to shine, and they will also make you shine. Number three, own your truth. So, meaning that if you are a leader, always own your truth. Say, I don't know when you actually don't know something. And say, I will consult when you need to consult. Don't be a know it all person. And if you become a know it all person and people realize that whatever that you are saying, you are not able to deliver, at the end of the day, you actually do not become a respected leader. So turn mistakes into learning moments. So, in other words, what we mean is that if there are mistakes to learn that you've done, just own the mistake and turn them into an opportunity to learn. Number four, guard your time. Time is key in anything that you want to do, anything that you want to succeed. Time is key. Always guard your time appropriately. Show up strong, meaning that you need to show up strong, meaning that you need to come early in every meeting, especially if you are a leader. Every meeting, make sure that you are there early enough, not just on time. Come prepared every time. So when your people or the subject, the people that you lead, when they realize that you are not in a position to turn up very early in the morning, prepared all the time, they will actually not respect you much. Number six, share your knowledge freely. If there is something that you know that maybe your team doesn't know, do not intimidate them with knowledge. Whenever you have something that you need to share, always share it freely. And as you share freely with your other leaders or your colleagues, people will learn, actually, people will respect you more. Number seven, it is always important to lead by example. If you tell people to come earlier, always be the first one to come early. If you tell people to do something, always be the one that you are supposed to also execute your duties in time. Listen with purpose. Be a listener. Don't be someone who comes to the meeting from the time it is started up to the time it ends. You are the one talking. Always listen with purpose, and also uh, ensure that as you listen, you actually come out strong. So those are the 8 key areas that you need to look at for you to become the best leader. Thank you, and see you in our next video. If you have not subscribed to our channel, subscribe to our channel so that you can get more leadership, the tricks and the tips on how to be a better leader. Thank you, and see you in our next leader. This is the leader.